give us money and you'll make a lot of money. So this is what a lot of these ICOs at the moment could be about.
Well, Warren Buffett famously compared Bitcoin to rat poison, but what he ironically did not understand is that the rat in this occasion is Warren Buffett. All right, well, we're going to take a break. Stay tuned for the second half. Don't go away. Welcome back to the Keiser Report. I'm Max Keiser. Time now to turn to Chris Blasi of Neptune Global. He's the creator of the PMC ounce. Chris, welcome.
Thank you, Max.
All right, this is a brand new product in the universe of precious metals. And so, PMC ounce, what is it?
Okay, so it's actually a patented financial asset. It received its patent in 2013. So it's been in the market several years, but it's getting a lot of traction now. But really the origin of it was I looked to create something that would marry what people see as the ease of trade and liquidity and visibility, price visibility of an ETF with physical precious metals, the old style owning bars and coins. So what we created was something that trades like an ETF and is actually diversified, which takes even what ETFs offer a step further, and created a physical precious metal investment asset.
Okay, so we have 4 precious metals or monetary metals: gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. They are all in this, you could call it an index, if you will, and it's the PMC ounce. But it's not a physical product, is it? It is an index.
Well, actually it is. There's an index, and then there's the investable product.
Well, the product is not a coin, though.
No, it's not.
Right, but okay, go ahead.
Sure, I'll expand on that. So it is, we have the PMC index, and then there's the PMC ounce, which is a way to invest in the PMC index. So we did not take good delivery bullion or good bullion and melt it down and make a coin that would kind of destroy the physical properties of it and kind of take away its liquidity. So what it is for each PMC ounce you buy, a fixed fractional amount of gold, silver, platinum, palladium is into an allocated account in a non-bank bullion depository, and then it's recorded in the customer's name. So each PMC ounce has the same fractional amount of each metal, and it has been weighted, so it's a logical diversification. We wouldn't put the same amount of dollars into palladium as we would gold, but giving it this diversified, it's basically a turnkey diversified portfolio. We found, and when we created this, we looked at the precious metals pricing going back to the 80s, that we created a product that with the exposure to especially the platinum and palladium, we kind of have a product that has less volatility than being in one of the individual metals on their own, like gold or silver. And that's the goal of the product.
Okay, so I call up and I say, I want to buy a PMC ounce, and you all know instantly that this means you're getting 4 metals allocated, you're getting allocation into these 4 metals per the formula.
Correct.
That constitutes a PMC ounce. And that formula is constituted by these 4 precious metals. Now, silver, gold, palladium, platinum. So I immediately noticed that the composition of the ounce, it has 93.75% silver, 3.5% gold, 1.7% palladium, and 1% platinum. How did you come up with that weighting?
Great. The first reactions when people say that, they say, well, this is all silver. So from a physical perspective, yes, it is mostly silver. But we know the pricing is different, and the ratio, gold-silver ratio, says if you were going to have an investment that was half in a gold, half in a silver, it wouldn't be ounce per ounce. You look at the dollar amount going into each. So, we looked at these metals over time, and what we came up with is that fixed amount, basically 52% of each of your investment is going into gold. And gold is the primary go-to metal. Even though silver is 93.75% physically, based on the amount of dollars going in, it represents about 22% of the investment, and platinum and palladium being in the teens.
So it's dollar weighted, not weight weighted.
Exactly. And so we actually show that on our website, on our products page. We show the physical composition and also real time what the component values are.
Let me play devil's advocate for a second, because of course that gold-silver ratio fluctuates.
Correct.
And the people buy precious metals because they like it for the weight. Mm-hmm. They quote it in weight. It's weight. That's the great thing about it. It's weight. And people say, oh, gold's down sharply. and it said, I still have X number of ounces. My ounces didn't go away. You know, they always love to quote the weight. Yeah. So why not just have an equally weighted coin? Isn't that commensurate more with the spirit of precious metals buyers?
Well, actually, this really achieves exactly what a buyer needs for a portfolio. But the physical composition has to be equal for a PMC ounce sold 5 years ago or 2 years ago as one sold 3 years ago. If we based, if you made it customized for each new investor, you do not have an interchangeable ounce that can be broadly distributed. And if you're selling and the other individual is buying, the exact amounts of metals are now exchanging.
Okay, so the key though, so the weight, the key is that these ratios don't change. 93.75% of silver, that never changes.
Correct.
That's in the PMC ounce. So when you buy the PMC ounce, you know that you're getting that composite, and you're roughly the dollar per each investment's approximately equal. So you're approximately getting equal investment in these four metals.
Correct.
And that's your goal.
Correct. And actually, we have a very good tool on our website called the PMC calculator.
Right.
And really what it allows an individual to do is do a mock trade. It's all in real time, so it's not static numbers. But you see exactly, you enter the number of PMC ounces for purchase. You know, it shows obviously the per ounce price and total trade amount. But more importantly, it's showing you how much gold, silver, platinum, palladium you're acquiring, how many dollars went in, and what percentage of your overall investment went into each of those metals.
Okay, so let me ask you this.